Hi, it's me, Lena, and today we are going to look into creating a simple linked list program in C++. This video is brought to you by Exposure Today. If you like our video, do press the like button and subscribe us. Do look out for our coming videos that can excite you more on how-to video tutorials, so stay tuned. So now we are going to come up with a very simple linked list with 3 nodes. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a class, and we're going to call it node, and then we're going to declare integer data for the data set side of the node, and we're going to come up with the pointer node as well. And don't forget to close the body with curly bracket and semicolon. So here we're going to come up with a main body, open curly bracket, and we're going to come up with node head. We're going to come up with a node called head, and we're going to keep it empty for now by calling it null. So null basically means empty. So, and then the second node is called second, and it's going to be empty as well. And then we have a third node. We're going to keep that empty as well. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to allocate 3 nodes. So how is that? We're going to call it, which is basically empty, and we're going to call it under the class node, and then we're going to allocate second as a new node class, and then we are going to call this third new node class. Yeah. If you see here, just like in the program, we have come up with the head, second, and third node 3 here. Just a minute. Okay, so yeah, so these are the 3 nodes that we have declared in our simple C++ code. So we have basically 3 blocks, and we have declared 3, we have pointers basically to 3 blocks, which is basically head, second, and third. And we have not assigned any value to any of these nodes yet. So what we are going to do now is we're going to assign the value. We're going to say head, and we're going to say data, and then come up with 1 close. So data is assigned to head node. Next, we're going to link this head node to the second node, and we are going to call it next equals node, because if you actually look here, we have declared next, and this pointer is going to link us to the next node, and so we're going to use this pointer next equals second. So the head node is connected to the second node. So based on the program, we can assign the data here 1, and for the time being we have not assigned any address, so just put it as 0, and we can actually draw this here. And now, like I said, the second and the head node are connected. Let's move on to our second node. So here we're going to assign data to second node. So we are going to call this second. This as data equals 2. So we are giving value 2, and then we're going to connect using next to the third node. With this, we just assigned a value to the second node, which is 2, and we just connected the second node to the third node, which is here. Knowing how to do it, we can actually declare the third one with a data. Tree, and then can say third next equals null. So why are we calling this next link as null? So let's look at that. So if you see this, the third node is basically given a value 3, and we are going to call this null because this is the last node. So when there is no other nodes there, so you can actually put it as empty, and this becomes 0. So with this in hand, we can actually end it with a return 0. So this is basically a way to come up with a simple linked list program with 3 nodes. I hope that this tutorial has given you a head start to have an idea of how linked list program can be in C++. So if you like our videos, please do like us, and don't forget to subscribe us to be updated on our new updated videos on how to tutorials. Bye.